Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring power and a stable network so the update won't fail mid-install. Make sure battery is at least 20% or connect charger, and join a reliable Wi-Fi. Once connected, open Spotify and go to Settings to view the current version. That tells you whether an update is available. If the app shows update prompts, tap to start. You're initiating the process now, so don't close the app while it checks and downloads the package. You'll see a download progress indicator. Wait until it reaches 100% before starting installation. If Spotify requests permissions for new features, accept them to prevent partial functionality. Check available storage now. Make sure you have about 100 to 200 megabytes free. Clear cache or remove 1 or 2 unused files if required. Once download completes, tap Install and let the device apply changes. Avoid interrupting the device or switching networks during installation to prevent corruption. After installation, relaunch Spotify so it initializes new components. Sign back in if the app logged you out. Check settings to confirm the version number and quickly test search, playback, and offline playlists to ensure everything works. If you encounter crashes, playback errors, or missing features, first clear the app cache and reboot the device. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Spotify. That usually resolves corrupted installs. If reinstalling, make sure you know your login credentials before removing the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.